everybody. Today I will show you some sea animals. See, this is shark, yellow crocodile, and fish, yellow duck, it's dolphin, it's blue dolphin, blowfish, it's soft blowfish, it's penguin, it's cray, it's orange starfish, it's octopus, it's sea turtle, it's crab, wow, and other whale, it's octopus, wow. I have some green and blue colored rice. I will pour it on sea animals. Wow! Look, they are hide under the blue rice. Wow! I have a big monster. I will eat them one by one. I have a big monster. I will find them sea animals. First, I will eat yellow starfish. Yum! Yellow starfish. See, it's beautiful orange starfish. Take it. I will find another crab. Yum! It's beautiful crab. Wow! I find another sea animals. Next. Wow, it's dolphin. It's blue, beautiful dolphin. Wow, what is next? See, yum! It's whale. Wow, it's grey and white whale. Yum! Wow! I will eat next duck. It's yellow duck. It's orange mouth. Wow! What is next? Fine. Wow, it's gray. It's octopus. It's purple octopus. It's smiling. It's purple octopus. It's penguin. It's blue penguin and its belly is white. It has orange hair on its head. It's beautiful hair. It's beautiful small penguin. It's fish. Orange fish. It's soft and round orange fish. Wow, it's sea turtle. Wow, it's small sea turtle. It's clean. Look, it is beautiful small sea turtle. Wow. Yellow. It's yellow turtle. It's yellow crocodile. Wow, it's yellow crocodile. It's shark. It's beautiful shark. It's another shark with blue shark. It has beautiful teeth. It's open its mouth. Shark. It is small shark. There's no more sea animals. If you like my channel, please like share, subscribe. Okay, bye.